Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to create a simple realistic text shadow. So open your Photoshop and let's create a new working space. Then, so with this, yes, type your text. So whatever text you want, I want to use text. So we're going to duplicate this text. So press on Ctrl J to duplicate the text. Then let's change the color of this text to something like this. Yeah. Then the text beneath it, we're going to convert it to smart object. To convert that text to a smart object. Okay. The next thing to do is to click on filter, then go to gallery, blur gallery, and path blur. Now you'll be introduced to this window, so you can do the adjustment how you want it. You check mark this. You can move the sliders how you want it. And the fun part of this is that you can move the shadow wherever you want, whichever angle you want your shadow to be. You can use this slider to move the shadows wherever you want it. So I think I want something like this. Something like this. Sure, let's go. So when you're done, you click on OK. Click on OK. That is it. So let's try and give the text a solid color, background. So let's say this. So I bring it down. I can see it very well. Then you can change the color of the text to any color of your choice. Alright, thank you. See you in my next tutorial.